Hi, I'm Yuni at Love Your Abode, and today for the Home Depot Kids Workshop, I have my daughter.
Hi, I'm Emmy, and I'm very excited to share this project.
We're super excited because this month we're sharing a really great organization idea that Emmy came up with, and she's going to tell you a little bit about it.
So I drew a rainbow to hold my necklaces.
Isn't that so cute? So we're going to create this project and turn it into life using a piece of plywood. For this particular project, here are the items that you'll need.
You'll need paint, paintbrushes, tack cloth, and a hammer.
You'll also need plywood, sanding paper, hooks, sawtooth hangers, a pencil with a string, goggles, and a jigsaw. This is the drawing that brought our Home Depot project to life. Grab all your supplies because this is a really fun project. Tie a piece of string around a pencil and then take the end of that string and place it in the middle of the plywood. Go all the way around, creating a half circle. Use the drawing as a guide for your jigsaw. Using a 120 to 150 grit sandpaper, go ahead and sand the piece of plywood along the surface and the edges. Using a tack cloth, clean up the sides and edges of the plywood. Once your plywood is completely cleaned, measure and mark the segments of your rainbow. Using the pencil and string method, I marked each rainbow section. Make sure to tie the string near the bottom of the pencil near the lead. This will allow for better control. Since Emmy wanted to do more of a pastel palette, I erased the marks so that there was a barely visible line. Now this is the fun part. Allow your child to choose the colors and paint each section. This is great practice and hand-eye coordination. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We recommend using a separate paintbrush for each color. Have your little helper paint at least 2 coats to get really good coverage. Once you're done painting, let it dry completely before going on to the next step. Use a small drill bit to create preliminary holes for where the hooks will go. Twist in your mini hooks. This is where all the necklaces will hang. Emmy helped me install 2 sawtooth hangers on the back of the plywood. We found the perfect spot on her wall to hang the rainbow jewelry holder. We just used 2 picture hooks. I hung it low enough for her so that she'd have easy access to all her beautiful jewelry. And let them hang all of their jewelry and admire their masterpiece. It looks awesome. And that's how we went from this really cool drawing to this amazing DIY masterpiece.